Hello guys, welcome to Random on Norm. And in today's video, I'm going to be exploring a nearly fallen down tin shack located on this beach amongst the trees behind me. Oh, the sun. Oh, anyway, let's go take a nice look at it and explore everything it has to offer, which isn't much because it's half fallen down. Maybe it's all fallen down. Alright, this is where it's located to. Okay, you can still see the rotten wood and the tin, and unfortunately there's still snow in here. Why is there still snow in here? It's shady, that's why. Oh, buddy. Oh. So yeah, here it is, folks. This is one hell of an old tin shack. Put here because the fishing industry. I'm probably gonna drive a nail up my foot. I hope I don't drive a nail up my foot. So yeah guys, here it is. See the rock foundation? And what in the world? And that was their last time too. Yeah. I might have featured this in one of my earlier videos, but I figured it'll be nice to show you guys again. For the ones who have not seen this wreck of a building. So guys, here I am inside the lovely shack here. It's quite the place. Very homely, very safe. Can I remove it? It's like a piece of tin down there. Oh. Alright, so we can get through this entanglement. Oh, I made it. Yeah, it's interesting to see that the boards are still relatively intact on this side. There's a bank, and there's a boat somewhere up there. You hear it? Let's see if we can take a peek at it. Oh! And there it is, a boat. Well guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon so you won't miss another Random on Norm video. And leave a comment down below if you feel like it. Anyway, I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. So long. And have a great day, everybody.